ees APA hitid, Võru gümnaasiumi noored, läksime!
See the wonder of a fairy tale. You can take the future, even if you fail. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, a dream.
I was cheated by you, and I think you know it. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, did I ever learn? I don't know how. Now that suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I think you're up the rain. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist ya? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I miss ya. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know. Why, I should not have let you go. Why, I should not have let you go. Where are those happy days? They seem so hard to find. I tried to reach for you, but you had closed your mind. What happened to our love? I wish I understood. It used to be so nice, it used to be so good. So when you need me, darling, can't you feel me? SOS. The love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS. When you're gone, how can I even try to go on? When you're gone, don't I try, how can I carry on? If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me know. Gonna be around. If you got no place to go, if you're feeling down, if you're all alone with a pretty birds that love, honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. Gonna do my very best in the name of life. If you put me to the test, if you let me try. Take a chance
my destiny in quite a similar way.
The history book on the shelf is always repeating itself. Waterloo, I was defeated and won the war. Waterloo, promised to love me forevermore. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. Waterloo, knowing my fate is defeated. Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. So how could I ever refuse? I feel like I win when I lose. I lose. Waterloo, I was defeated and won the war. Waterloo, promised to love me forevermore. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. Waterloo, knowing my fate is defeated. Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. Yeah!
Uskumatu! Teie ees lihtsalt müstiliselt andekad Võru gümnaasiumi noored. Palun ärge minge kuhugi, olge seal ja laske meil teid imetleda. Kujutage ette, nad ei ole mitte 31-aastased, kes saavad 17 500 eurot palka kuus, vaid nad on lihtsalt gümnaasiumi noored, kes on võtnud, ma arvan, sadu, võib-olla tuhandeid tunde, et seda niimoodi koos teha. Ma arvan, et siin saalis ei istu mitte kedagi, kes ei oleks teie peale kade. See on lihtsalt nii äge. Teeme ühe aplausi veel. Nii, mul on veel mõned asjad öelda. Ärge minge kuskile. Vaadake, seda, et saab kokku kamba tüdrukuid, kes tahavad tantsida laulda, see on veel kuidagi loogiline. Aga see, et teismeliste, hilisteismeliste noorte seast leitakse nii julgeid mehi, kes lähevad ja ulatavad tüdrukutele selle abikäe ja ei pea paljuks võtta osa ja õppida kõik need asjad ära. Mehed, ma olen teie üle uhke. See on võimas. Aitäh! Ja muidugi kogu see ilu ja anne võiks tegelikult kollektiivselt minna mu kalli sõbra Karl-Erik Taukari juhitud saatesse, kes tahab saada superstaariks, sellepärast et siin ei ole küsimust, kas nad tahavad või ei taha. Nad on selleks sündinud. Aitäh teile!